Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty products. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Laura Geller New York Best of the Best Baked Palette. This stunning palette is a complete eye and face makeup solution, featuring 3 baked eyeshadows in beautiful neutral tones, a baked bronze and brighten in Tahitian glow, 2 baked natural glow highlighters in French vanilla and Portofino, and a baked blush and brighten in pink buttercream. What I love about this palette is how versatile it is. It combines bronzer, blush, highlighter, and eyeshadows, making it perfect for anyone looking to simplify their makeup routine. Each product is handmade in Italy, starting as a cream before being baked into a silky powder on terracotta tiles. This unique process contributes to the silky texture and vibrant pigmentation, which truly brings out the best in your features. Using this palette was a delightful experience. Setting it up was a breeze. No complicated steps here. Just a quick swipe of my favorite foundation, and I was ready to go. The eyeshadows applied beautifully, allowing for a seamless blend, while the highlighters provided a radiant glow without any chalkiness. I particularly enjoyed using the blush for a fresh pop of color on my cheeks. In terms of performance, this palette shines. The pigments are rich and long-lasting, ensuring you look flawless throughout the day. During testing, I wore it for a full day at an event, and I was impressed with how well it held up in different lighting conditions. The colors remained vibrant, and the highlighter continued to dazzle. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the palette is incredibly travel-friendly, combining all essential face products in one compact. The formulas are smooth, blendable, and have great staying power. However, one minor downside is that some users may find the shades not suitable for deeper skin tones, as they may not show up as vibrantly. When comparing this palette to others on the market, such as the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, you'll notice that while ABH offers a wider range of bold colors, Laura Geller focuses on versatility with neutral tones that are perfect for everyday looks. Plus, at its price point, this palette offers solid value for the quality provided. The build quality is excellent. The palette feels sturdy, and the packaging is sleek, making it easy to slip into your bag. There were no issues with durability during my testing, which speaks to the thoughtful construction. User-friendliness is a strong suit here. Each product is easy to apply, whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro. The instructions provided are straightforward, ensuring you can achieve a polished look effortlessly. In terms of customer support, I reached out to Laura Geller's team with a question about product ingredients, and I received a prompt and helpful response, which is always a plus. Real-world testing of this palette exceeded my expectations. I wore it during a casual outing, a workday, and even a night out. Each time I received compliments on my makeup, which is always a confidence booster. So if you're enjoying this review, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our great content. Your support helps us bring more fantastic beauty insights to you. To wrap things up, I highly recommend the Laura Geller New York Best of the Best Baked Palette. It's an excellent all-in-one option for anyone wanting to streamline their makeup routine. This palette is especially suitable for makeup lovers who appreciate a natural look. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, like the ELF Cosmetics bite-size eyeshadows, the quality and versatility of this palette make it worth the investment. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get this amazing palette in the description below. Feel free to ask questions in the comments or share your experiences if you've tried this palette already. Happy makeup shopping! Feel free to adjust any sections to better fit your style or presentation preferences.